Since the beginning of time, man has always looked for a means to generate wealth and thus birthed the fame of business. However, business became saturated as everybody wanted a piece of that sweet, sweet profit. The notion of advertising became a thing of good practice as it was a win-win situation to all involved. The business owners getting more exposure, the advertising party getting payments for achieving that exposure, and the end users for bringing that personalized product right to their screen. Today, there is fourth player raking in the big bucks in this advertisement game, and by the end of this video, that person would be you. In today's video, I'll show you how to make $73 online for watching ads. And yes, it is absolutely doable. In this day and age, it seems like you can make money by doing almost, well, anything. So if you're searching for a simpler method to make some extra money to supplement your income, have fun, and learn about a vast number of products, this is it. We'll look at 4 different websites where you can earn money by just watching ads. So sit back and relax while I take you on the journey to make $73 online for watching ads.
Make money, Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money.
The first website we're going to look at is going to pay you for clicking and going into different websites. I do have to explain this one because once you get into the website, you'll see a paid option. This website does allow you to pay and get more ads if you want to do it that way. However, I don't recommend it because there is a free option for clicking on ads. The difference is that there are different amounts of ads that you can click on per day. So if you have the upscaled membership, you'd have a lot of more ads to click on and make a lot more money. But I personally don't believe in putting money into websites in order to make more money, unless, of course, you're running paid ads on social media for affiliate marketing. Anyway, the first website works like that, and it's available worldwide. They pay you through various options, but we'll look at that once we're in there. This website is called Adviev.com. This is how the website looks when you first land on the homepage. You'll come across a page that looks like this. You can tell right away that they claim it's a unique platform for earning and advertising, implying that people are coming here to advertise. They pay people to watch their various websites, mostly to enhance SEO or search engine optimization. The more a website is viewed, the more Google recognizes it as a good website, and they begin promoting and supporting such websites to develop. So that's what you'll be doing all day to make $73 online for watching ads. They have a very simple sign-up process. Just click on the link in the description below to direct you straight to the Adviev homepage. Once you get to the homepage, simply click Sign Up, and the next step will be the registration form where you'll enter your name, email, username, password again, and select your preferred payout method or payment options. Unfortunately, there is no PayPal here, but they have Perfect Money, Payeer, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Once you've finished filling out all of the information, click on I'm not a robot and agree to the terms and conditions, then register your account. Go back to the email address you used to sign up here to confirm your account, and then you have completed the process of signing up to this website. I haven't seen a review that says it's not a legitimate platform, but it's still low paying, which is something you should be aware of. However, the job that you're expected to do here is very simple, as I'm currently inside my dashboard, which is where I can see all of the stats of how much I've made, how much I'm making, and so on. So as you can see, my main balance is $13.71, with 15 paid ads, which are YouTube videos that I can click on to earn different points. Their point system is called BAP, and you can convert it to dollars once you click on it. 1 BAP is equal to $0.0005. I recommend that you go to this website to learn more about it and to help you decide whether you want to sign up and make $73 online for watching ads. Click on the link in the description below to sign up right now.
If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on.
The second website for today is also available worldwide and has a variety of payout options, including PayPal. It's called startclicks.com. When you get to the homepage, you'll notice that they have different tabs here. They have a tab for publishers, and they have a tab for advertisers. You want to make money on this platform by viewing ads. So go to the homepage and click on Publishers. I'll show you where you can find more information by scrolling down a little bit. As you can see, they say that publishers can earn money online and may start working right now to be rewarded. So publish ads and get paid right away. Another great feature of this website is that you get paid as soon as you earn money. As you can see here, you can be paid via PayPal, bank transfer, and many other methods. To get started, simply click here to begin. You will then click on Publisher, sign up to start the sign-up process, which is similar to the one we just completed. And then fill out all of your personal information, such as your name, birth date, and home address, as well as your email address and security questions, among many other things. Just as a little gift from me to you, type this code displayed on the screen right now as the referral ID to get some free money immediately after you sign up. The code is in the description below as well. Remember, you would not receive that free money if you don't input that code exactly into the referral ID section. Since I already have an account on this website, I'm going to log right in. So now that I'm inside my account's dashboard, you can see that I've not done any work for today. However, since I began on StarClicks 3 days ago, I have been able to earn about $54. On the left-hand side, click on pay-per-click ads, and they'll show you the different ads that are available for you to click. You can see here that I've got quite a few of them that I can click on. And this is how you make $73 online for watching ads. The third website will pay you in cryptocurrency. They have their own crypto token that you can exchange for other crypto coins and cryptocurrencies. This is a plugin that you must download and install on your computer. All you have to do is click on an ad that appears on your screen when they come up, and you'll get points for doing so. The website is called permission.io. They say that data is your most valuable asset, and I couldn't agree more. And this is the website that will pay you to start earning money by clicking on ads. You must first sign up to the platform as shown here and fill out your profile. After which, you would opt in to receive content from your favorite brands, watch videos on a daily basis, browse the web, and earn while viewing personalized ads. So in terms of the website safety and other information, I think it's best if you go ahead and do some research of your own to see if this is something you want to do. I get the impression that they're collecting data as you browse and using that data to serve you relevant ads. If you're okay with that, you could sign up for this website. I believe I need to point out that their sign-up procedure is really detailed. They will require you to give your ID or other forms of identification, such as your driver's license, in order to be confirmed on their platform. The reason they're doing that is to assure your safety on the platform, to ensure that you're doing things correctly, and to ensure that no one hacks your account. Now moving on to the last one. This one isn't exactly new, but I just think it's fascinating, and it's one of the platforms where you can make $73 online for watching ads. This platform is called Current App on iOS or Mode Earn App on Android. This app is mostly created for you to make money by listening to music. There are many radio stations inside the platform where you can listen to music all day and earn money that way. However, they do offer a feature where you can click to view 30-second ads. I believe it depends on where you are in the world. You can gain in points and then convert it into cash using PayPal, as well as some cryptocurrency options. And that's it, how to make $73 online for watching ads. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Olivia, I love you.